منكم ميثاقا غليظا.
How can you take it away after each one has enjoyed the other, and they have taken a firm covenant from you?
ولا تنكحوا ما نكح آباؤكم من النساء إلا ما قد سلف إنه كان فاحشة ومقتا وساء سبيلا.
Do not marry the women whom your fathers married, although what is past is past. This indeed was a shameful deed, a hateful thing, and an evil way.
حرمت عليكم أمهاتكم وبناتكم وأخواتكم وعماتكم وخالاتكم وبنات الأخ وبنات الأخت وأمهاتكم اللاتي أرضعنكم وأخواتكم من الرضاعة وأمهات نسائكم وربائبكم اللاتي في حجوركم من نسائكم اللاتي دخلتم بهن فإن لم تكونوا دخلتم بهن فلا جناح عليكم وحلائل أبنائكم الذين من أصلابكم وأن تجمعوا بين الأختين إلا ما قد سلف إن الله كان غفورا رحيما.
Forbidden to you are your mothers, your daughters, your sisters, your father's sisters, and your mother's sisters, your brother's daughters, and your sister's daughters, your milk mothers, your milk sisters, the mothers of your wives, and the stepdaughters who are your foster children, born of your wives, with whom you have consummated the marriage. But if you have not consummated the marriage with them, there will be no blame upon you, if you marry their daughters. It is also forbidden for you to take the wives of the sons who have sprung from your loins, and to take two sisters together in marriage. Although what is past, surely Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.
والمحصنات من النساء إلا ما ملكت أيمانكم كتاب الله عليكم وأحل لكم ما وراء ذلكم أن تبتغوا بأموالكم محصنين غير مسافحين فما استمتعتم به منهن فآتوهن أجورهن فريضة ولا جناح عليكم فيما تراضيتم به من بعد الفريضة إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
Also forbidden to you are all married women, muhsanat, except those women whom your right hands have come to possess as a result of war. This is Allah's decree, and it is binding upon you. But is lawful for you to seek out all women except these, offering them your wealth and protection of wedlock, rather than using them for the unfettered satisfaction of lust. And give bridal due of those whom you have enjoyed in wedlock as an obligation. But there is no blame on you if you mutually agree to alter the settlement after it has been made. Surely Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
ومن لم يستطع منكم طولا أن ينكح المحصنات المؤمنات فمما ملكت أيمانكم من فتياتكم المؤمنات والله أعلم بإيمانكم بعضكم من بعض فانكحوهن بإذن أهلهن وآتوهن أجورهن بالمعروف محصنات غير مسافحات ولا متخذات أخدان فإذا أحصن فإن أتين بفاحشة فعليهن نصف ما على المحصنات من العذاب ذلك لمن خشي العنة منكم وأن تصبروا خير لكم والله غفور رحيم.
And those of you who cannot afford to marry free believing women, muhsanat, let them marry such believing women whom your right hands possess. Allah knows all about your faith. All of you belong to one another. Marry them then with the leave of their guardians and give them their bridal due in a fair manner, that they may live in the protection of wedlock, rather than be either mere objects of unfettered lust or given to secret love affairs. Then, if they become guilty of immoral conduct after they have entered into wedlock, they shall be liable to half the penalty to which free women muhsanat are liable. This relaxation is for those of you who fear falling into sin by remaining unmarried. But if you persevere, it is better for you. Allah is all forgiving, all compassionate.